Welcome to Disney Theme Park World. We're here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Hey guys, welcome to Asia's Marble Hub, Hong Kong Disneyland S.H.I.E.L.D Science and Technology Pavilion. Here, you can experience AntMan and the Wasp Nano Battle attraction. So now we're entering into pre-show of this attraction. Hey look, Paris, Wakanda, Hong Kong and New York. Hey, definitely we are in the Marvel universe. And here's a little tip for you to enjoy seamless experience. Before your visit to S.H.I.E.L.D Science and Technology Pavilion, I highly recommend you to visit Iron Man Experience attraction first. Well, because Iron Man Experience is prerequisite in order to experience AntMan and the Wasp Nano Battle attraction. These two attractions share one story, so Iron Man Experience first, and then AntMan and the Wasp Nano Battle attraction after. So let's shrink down to the size of an AntMan and protect the pavilion's data core from Evil Zola. Remember, you have to blast up thousands of Swambots. It's not gonna be easy, alright?
No, not necessarily. When I shrink proportionally.
講真，史達先生對付嘅機械人真係大有好多。
Oh, Leslie, give me a break.
I thought she was quite helpful.
Let me know when you two are done comparing bot sizes. We still have work to do.
各位戰親節不到，我哋一齊幫 AntMan Wasp 打敗 Zombie 嗰啲機械蟲。根據我哋嘅最新情況，呢啲機械蟲睇落係唔可能，但係佢哋都有勇氣。當佢哋嘅殺裂口打開，就係暴力嘅氣。只要用陌生槍擊中機械蟲，就會滅吞。呢啲具有高破壞力嘅機械蟲表示第一級最高成績。呢啲係第二級，呢隻係第三級。特技戰車上嘅記錄將會記錄你哋嘅擊中。記住，瞄準機械蟲有一段。
Hey kids, fun fact.
史達先生，請講。
Intel shows Zola is inside one of the bots controlling the rest of the hive.
If we can find that bot and destroy it, it should shut down all the others.
Great plan. That makes about 1,000 bots.
This one.
Look, there's only one bot we care about. The one Zola's in.
Fine. Hey, quick, Leslie. Look for frequency phase shifts and still got communications.
為確保安全，戰鬥期間必須從將手臂同腳收入嘅戰車裏，同埋開放可同行嘅小節。To be safe, please remain seated with hands, arms, feet and legs inside your vehicle. Keep an eye on the field. 注意，特機戰車嘅前座。
大家一齊打敗蘇啦！
And you, pick up your blaster. Time to focus on the mission.
Grab those blasters. Get ready to do some damage.
特機戰車會將大家帶到蘇嘅 好出色。
Yes! You guys were like, pew, 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 pew. Phone was all like, oh, it's so unstoppable. Good thing we had all of you there to make Ant-Man look good.
请带齐随身物品，从您的右侧下车，踏上自动人行道。恭喜大家逐漸勝利，請帶齊你哋嘅隨身物品，喺你哋嘅右手邊小心落車。
Until next magical adventure, have a zippity-doo-dah day! Please make sure to subscribe and see you real soon.